Alright, why don't you hug the koala instead of Bryn?
No. I'm going home my cake.
That's a good idea.
Let's go
Where are you going?
to the doctor. Broken leg.
Brinny, can you say up? Or mama? Say mama?
Doctor, Mama. I have broken legs for my kitty cat. I'm my kitty cat. You fixed them.
Oh, thank you. Brinny, you say up?
Up.
Can you say backpack?
Up.
Backpack. I can't believe you just kicked her.